Hey guys, this is French Fries Yarn, and today I'm going to teach you how to crochet. What we're going to learn is the double crochet and the half double crochet. I have another video where I showed you how to do a slip knot and chaining along with how to do the single crochet. The link will be in the description box below. But in this video, I only show you how to do the double crochet and half double crochet. Let's get on to the video and let's learn the double crochet. I already made 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The loop on the hook does not count as a chain. We're going to yarn over one time. Skip the first 2 chains. Enter through the 3rd chain. Yarn over, pull through, and you will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through 2 of the loops. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. These 2 chains do not count as a double crochet. We're going to yarn over, enter through the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. We're going to do the next double crochet. We're going to yarn over, enter through the next chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Keep doing this until the end and you will have 8 stitches of double crochet. I am at the end and I will show you how to count the V's or stitches. Remember, the loop on the hook does not count as a stitch. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Remember, these 2 don't count as a double crochet. Now we will create another row of double crochets. Let me get the yarn ready, and we will chain 2, 1 and 2. Turn your work over, skip the 2 chains we just created, yarn over, enter through the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And we created the first double crochets on the second row. Remember to enter through these 2 stitches to create the double crochet. Keep doing this until we go to the end of the row, and we will still end up with 8 double crochets. I'm at the end of the row right here, and you could create anything you like with double crochets, such as scarves or blankets, and this is how it looks. Now let's get into the half double crochet. We're going to chain 1 only, turn our work, yarn over, skip the first chain and enter through the next stitch. Enter our hook, yarn over, pull up, and we have 3 loops on the hook, the same as a double crochet. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. And that is the first half double crochet. Yarn over, enter through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 of the loops. I'll show you again. Yarn over, enter, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 of the loops. I'm at the end right here. Chain 1, turn your work, skip the first chain, yarn over, enter through the first stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3 of the loops. And just keep doing this until you get to the end again. And this is how the finished swatch looks like. We had the 2 rows of the double crochet on the bottom and 2 rows of the half double crochet on the top. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, And also comment down below of any ideas you'd like me to try and do. Thank you for watching French Fries Yarn, and have a nice day!